This week on Theme Park Bar, I'm helping you start your Christmas morning the best way possible, as I'm showing you how to recreate Trader Sam's holiday favorite, the Mele Kaliki-Mocha. Hello, my name is Matt, and welcome to Theme Park Bar. I am a career bartender and an Orlando native who wants to show you how to make the best signature drinks from around the world and across the universe. Here at Theme Park Bar, we know the best attractions are the ones served in a glass. Happy holidays, everyone. Merry Christmas. It is insane to think that the day is pretty much here. This has been the fastest and longest year of all of our lives, I'm sure. For this week's cocktail, I'm going to be taking you back to Trader Sam's for a holiday cocktail that's going to be insanely easy for you to not only make, but to continue drinking all day long. Because if there's one holiday tradition I love more than presents or fresh cinnamon rolls, it's definitely going to be gratuitous amounts of day drinking. Drawing its name from the Hawaiian phrase for Merry Christmas, Mele Kaliki-Maka, the Mele Kaliki-Mocha combines the two greatest things on this earth, coffee and booze. You round it up with some classic Tiki flavors like almond and coconut. You're going to have yourself an iced coffee drink that's going to help you power through presents, lunch, brunch, dinner, and that power lap of looking at lights all around your cul-de-sac. Here's what you're going to need. 2 ounces of Kahlua, 4 ounces of coffee, 1 ounce of cream of coconut, 1 ounce of Oregeat. You're going to top it with some whipped cream. All right, let's go ahead and get the Mele Kaliki-Mocha working here for you. We're going to start with our mixing glass with ice. You know, it's my favorite way to do things around here. Right away, we're going to start off with our 2 ounces of Kahlua. Kahlua, of course, is a product of Mexico. It is a rum and coffee liqueur. It is 40 proof, so 20% alcohol by volume. That's why we're doing 2 shots in there. If rum chata is mommy's iced coffee, Kahlua is, it's also mommy's iced coffee. Mommy has a lot of iced coffee.
Well, I'm here to remind you of the mess you left.
From there, we're going to add 4 ounces of coffee. I brewed this pot this morning, let it cool down. You guys use whatever you want. If you want to use that jug of the cold brew, go for it. Make your life easy. From there, we're going to add 1 ounce of our cream of coconut. When you open the can, it might be separated out a bit. I tossed it into this mason jar here. Just get everything remixed together. 1 ounce of that right in there. And lastly, 1 ounce of Oregeat. Oregeat is a almond simple syrup. Very, very easy to make, or you can purchase it. Not gonna lie, I'm using some store-bought stuff. Pretty easy. We now get to everyone's favorite part. Get the tin, seal it, and give it a shake. Oh, and it's looking great. It's smelling great. We're gonna want to pull up our serving glass here. I have a pretty standard Tiki glass. Over at Trader Sam's, they're using what's called a bamboo glass. Nice tall. I don't have any of those yet, but I have this wonderful guy. He will suffice for today's festivities. Use whatever glass you like. You know I like to preach that. There is no such thing as wrong glassware. Make it your own. So we have our Tiki mug pulled up, our Tiki glass pulled up. I'm going to fill her all the way to the top. Looking great. I'm going to top her up with a little bit of whipped cream. Good shit. What can I say? And lastly, we're going to garnish it with a sprig of mint. Whenever I'm using a fresh herb, I like to run it in my fingers just a little bit. Releases those oils, releases those fragrances. You'll even see people call it like slap it. Just get some of those aromatics going. Toss that rosemary in. Get a straw. And just like that guy, straight from Trader Sam's Grotto, Enchanted Tiki Terrace, whatever you want to call her there. The Mele Kaliki-Mocha. Kahlua, coffee, Oregeat, coconut cream. Very simple, very quick, easy drink to put together. Let's go ahead and give this a taste. That is, oh shit, that's good. Incredibly good. It's a sweet drink, but not too sweet. Incredibly smooth. It goes down easy. everything about it really is Christmassy. There's the slight, almost butteriness that coconut brings to the table. Of course, the wonderful nuttiness of the orgeat, and first and foremost, strong coffee flavors. And the rosemary. The rosemary really ties it together here. The fresh aromatics, that strong, fresh scent of the herbs, has that piney scent to it. So you're getting the nose of fresh herb, of pine, of Christmas trees with the sweet coffee. It feels very much like Christmas morning. This is going to be the perfect cocktail to help get you through dealing with loud kids and their insanely loud toys, or your annoying in-laws, or the call to the void. Mele Kaliki-Mocha, 4 ingredients. It took us like 30 seconds to make. You are going to want to be drinking these all day Christmas, New Year's, next Friday. This is a fantastic cocktail. It gives you the power moves of carrying an iced coffee while taking down the edge with those 2 shots of Kahlua, and that nice rosemary piney scent on the nose. It's going to give you all that fuel you need to make it through that peak holiday week. Whether you're a tired mom and dad, a fun aunt and uncle, or just a dude hanging out in his apartment drinking all day because he has a YouTube channel and it's living the gimmick. Everyone, as always, thank you so much for tuning in to another episode here of Theme Park Bar. I hope everyone has a safe and wonderful Christmas weekend this weekend if you're celebrating. I hope everyone gets what they want on their Christmas list. You know, the one thing I'd really want for Christmas is for everyone to leave a comment down below and tell me what you want from Santa, or what's the best thing he ever brought you. What's that one present that really blew your mind, made you scream Nintendo 64? If you're new to the channel, I'm glad to have you here too. Grab a bar stool, hit that subscribe button, and become a bar regular, and you'll never miss a single sip of what we got going on over here. You can chat with me all over the internet, social media, Twitter and Facebook, Instagram, all at Theme Park Bar. You can support the show at patreon.com/themeparkbar and check out some cool perks over there. You can also pick up t-shirts and coasters by following the links below if you want to look a little stylish and maybe spruce up your home bar just a little bit. Folks, if you're going out this weekend, or really any weekend, please make sure you're always being safe, you drink responsibly, never forget to tip your bartenders. Again, thank you so much for tuning in. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and Mele Kaliki-Maka. Cheers.